In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete relationship status on Facebook. Alright, so I'm starting right here on Facebook, and the first thing I'm going to do is head over to my profile. So I'll just click on my profile icon and wait for my profile page to load. Once I'm on my profile, I'm going to look for the About section. This is where all the personal information is stored, so I'm tapping on About to open it up. Now that I'm inside the About section, I'm going to navigate to the personal information area. So I'm clicking on personal details, and that brings up a list of my personal info like name, birthday, and status. At this point, I'm looking for the relationship status section. I see status here, so I'm going to click on it to view and manage it. Once the status section is open, I can see my current relationship status, and what I want to do is remove it completely. So I'm going to look for the edit option, usually shown as a small edit icon. I see it here, so I'm clicking on the edit icon. Now that the edit menu is open, I'm given options to change or remove the status. Since the goal is to delete it, I'm going to click on remove. After clicking remove, there's usually a confirmation prompt to make sure you want to proceed. So I'm going to click remove again to confirm the action. And just like that, the relationship status is now deleted from my profile. I'll just go back for a moment so you can see that the status section no longer shows any relationship information. It should now be empty or not display anything related to a relationship status. If you ever want to add one again, you can always go back into the same section and update it, but for now it's completely removed. So just to quickly go over it while we're here, you go to Facebook, open your profile, click on About, go into personal details, select status, tap the edit icon, choose remove, and then confirm by clicking remove again. I'll run through it one more time just to make it feel clear. From profile into About, into personal details, open status, tap the edit icon, click remove, and confirm remove. And that's it. It's a simple process, and once you confirm the removal, your relationship status will no longer be visible on your Facebook profile.